You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You know, a lot of people are saying Ford dealerships don't have any Fords. Well, that's just not true at Sunset Ford. They'll most likely have exactly what you're looking for. And if not, they'll find it for you within 72 hours or order it directly from the factory with all those factory incentives at no extra charge. But here's something you won't get at other Ford dealerships: warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Two exclusive money-saving features that come with every qualifying Sunset Ford that'll save you thousands down the road. So, long story short, Sunset Ford's inventory is doing just fine. No one can get you a new Ford faster, and no one can get you one for less.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people really do like that.